What's cooking at Raymond? Well, today we're going to be making chia seed pudding. What are chia seeds? Chia seeds are tiny, tiny little seeds that come from a plant native to Mexico and Central America. The plant's called Salvia hispanica, and it is within the mint family. So it's got a wonderful stalk with leaves like mint. Now, the interesting thing about chia seeds is if you soak them in whatever liquid you want to soak them in, they will absorb the liquid and they will develop a gel-like coating. This is what the coating looks like after about half an hour. And that's a very useful fact for doing all kinds of things, especially our pudding. So for our pudding, we're going to need chia seeds, of course, and you can get them at any store, really, and coconut milk. Coconut milk is available all over the place now. Maple syrup as a sweetener, and vanilla. Now, you can use other things too. If you're allergic to coconut milk and you don't want to use coconut milk, you can use other kinds of milk. This coconut milk is very thick and rich, and I like it a lot, and it's tasty. You can see a can is actually much more than a cup. It's more like a cup and a third. And to that, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. Chia seeds are extremely nutritious. They're like other seeds and nuts. They have high protein. They also have B vitamins and minerals and wonderful omega-3 fatty acids. So they're very good for us, and people put them in smoothies. Now, when you put the chia seeds into the coconut milk, make sure that you mix them well. You want them to separate. You don't want them to clump, because when they're forming their gel and absorbing the liquid, they're going to be better off if they're separated. So you want to mix it pretty well. I'm putting in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can use whatever is at hand. If you like vanilla bean paste, you can use that. And I'm putting in 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, but you can use any sweetener that you like. I like maple syrup. And again, you can't mix it too much, because keeping those seeds separated is really important, especially as they're forming their gel and absorbing the liquid. I'm putting this into the refrigerator for about half an hour. And after about half an hour, you can see it's started to solidify a little bit, but it's still falling off my utensil there. And it's not as solid as I want it to be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait another hour or so, and we'll see. Now, after about an hour in the fridge, you can see it's very different. It's more like pudding, and that's the consistency I want for my dessert. I'm going to put a few blueberries on top, and I have a nice, sweet, very healthful dessert. Chia seed pudding.